Give and thou shalt receive is a quote from the Bible. A more up-to-date quote is, what goes around comes around. Most sales coaches will recommend you ask for referrals, but so few people advise you to give referrals. Yet it's a guaranteed way to get more referrals, and I'm not talking about just reciprocating when you're given them. I'm talking about giving them first and constantly looking out for the opportunity to do so. I know precisely what all of my customers and most of my prospects do and what they're most likely to buy on a regular basis, or indeed an irregular basis. You probably do too. And if you do not, from now on, make damn sure you do. Then whenever you are with a prospect or customer, start the referral process. For example, let's say it's obvious your prospect or customer buys office stationery and equipment. You could say, Mr. Prospect, one of my customers runs a business supplying stationery and office supplies. I know they do an excellent job, offer a great service and excellent pricing. Would you mind very much if I suggested they make contact with you? If they say it's okay, you then contact your customer or prospect and make the introduction. Or maybe your customer drives a BMW and you have another customer that runs a great service operation for BMWs and other luxury cars. That's another opportunity to make an introduction. When you begin to think about getting referrals for your customers, you will suddenly start to see so many opportunities to give them. And I guarantee you this, what goes around most definitely comes around.